Good morning, students of class 2nd. Today's GK class is start with chapter 3 Animal World and the topic is Amazing Animal Facts. It is given on page number 17 and 18. Okay, your topic is Amazing Animal Facts. First one is ostrich. You can see in the picture. Do not drink water. Ostrich do not drink water. They can make their own water internally and get the rest from vegetation. Oh, it's amazing, no, about ostrich. It do not drink water and it make their own water internally. Now kiwi birds are blind. They hunt by smell. They are blind. Kiwi are blind. They hunt. वो शिकार करते हैं by smell. A full-grown wolf can leap as high as a one-story building. Leap मतलब कूदना. Full-grown wolf like this. It can leap as high as a one-story building. एक माल की जो बिल्डिंग होती है ना उतना कूद सकता है full-grown wolf. Now the Komodo dragon is said to be so big. It is the dragon that it can catch a deer or a goat and swallow it whole. It can swallow a deer or a goat at one time. It found in Sumatra. It's a Komodo dragon. वो निगल जाता है पूरी गॉड को या फिर डियर को भी निगल जाता है. इट्स अ बिग ड्रैगन. Now a peacock displays his feathers like this to attract the female peahen. When you see a peacock which is display his feather, so it means it want to attract the female peahen. Now page number 18 is elephant. Elephants can remember things such as having met other elephants and how to escape a region where there is drought. Now elephant, it's an animal that can remember things such as having met the other elephants. वो elephants को जब मिले होते हैं वो चीज़ें वो याद रख पाता है. Now the only two animals that can see behind themselves without turning their heads. When we want to see behind side, so we have to turn our head, but two animals are there. They can see behind and without turning their heads. They are rabbit and parrot. Can see behind their head without turning the head. वो head को turn करे बगैर ही पीछे देख सकते हैं. Now starfish. If a starfish loses its one arm, it has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 arms. If in any case starfish loses its one arm in any attack or injury, a new arm grown in its place within few days. A new arm will grown at the same place within a few days. It's also amazing. Now cobras. Some cobras spit venom in the eyes of their enemies. वो क्या करता है? स्पीट करता है, मतलब जो उसके अंदर जो जहर होता है ना वो स्पीट करता है. कहाँ पे स्पीट करता है? मतलब निकालता है जहर बाहर. तो जो एनिमीज़ होते हैं ना उसकी आइज़ में स्पीट करता है. कोजिंग देम परमानेंटली ब्लाइंडनेस. और वो परमानेंटली ब्लाइंड हो सकते हैं. कोबरा का जो जहर होता है वो थूकता है उसके आँखों में तो ब्लाइंड हो सकता है. नाउ ब्लू व्हेल. This thing you have to remember. Enemy's eyes. In the enemy's eyes. Blue whale. Blue whale is the largest animal on earth. It lives in the sea and weighs as much as 30 elephants or 2,000 men. It is almost as large as 5 elephants standing in a row. It is also as large as 5 elephants standing in a row. जैसे कि 5 elephants एक रो में खड़े रहे तो वो कैसे इतनी ही वो ब्लू व्हेल लार्ज होती है. ओके, तो दिस इज अवर chapter 2 and topic some amazing things about facts, amazing animal facts. Okay, this is done. We will meet with new activity. Thank you.